Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Mexican recipe. We normally eat more often in the restaurants, but I thought of sharing with you this recipe which we can be easily made at home. So this video is going to be in two parts. First part is going to be how to make this Mexican rice. I have clearly mentioned all the ingredients, and you can pause this video and then see the ingredients, and you can follow this recipe. So I have grinded all the ingredients, and now I'm going to make this rice in iron pan. So here I'm just infusing onion and garlic oils in that oil, and here I have taken long grain rice or sona masuri rice, whatever available at home, you can use that. And I'm just frying the rice actually, because it gives a lot of nutty taste and crunchy taste into the rice. So I'm just making toasting the rice a little bit, just the way it is, a little bit crunchy and lightish golden yellow color, and then add that tomato puree in it. And here I'm using chicken tomato flavor bouillon. It is nothing but a dried version of hydrated version of broth. So according to your cup of rice, I have taken 2 cups of rice, so you have to add 4 cups of water, and then added black pepper, and then you have to cover it up with the lid. And I'm using here glass lid so that you can see how nicely that rice is cooking. If you need more time, you can put more time, and just keep on checking through the glass lid actually. And here I'm making, this is the second part of this video where I'm just making the stuffed peppers. So here I have taken poblano peppers. Again, the ingredients are all clearly mentioned in the in the screen. So if you need, please pause the video and check it out, the ingredients. So here I'm just making the slits. I don't see any seeds in the poblano, so I'm just not taking out any seeds, but if you see a lot of seeds inside, then you can just scoop it out. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pan, separate pan, and add oil, and then put all the diced potatoes in it, and then cover it up so it will roast a little bit. The bottom will be roasted actually, and then add all the ingredients like salt to taste, onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika, and then stir it well, and then again cook it thoroughly with the cover, with the lid actually, and then cook it nicely. And once it is cooked, it is mushy, then you just need to off the flame, and then in a bowl you just keep mixing all the cheese, mozzarella cheese, and cream cheese and other stuff, and make a mixture. Actually, this is what I'm making is like a stuff for the poblano peppers. So took the 2 good spoons of cream cheese, and I'm gonna add mozzarella cheese, Mexican cheese, Parmesan cheese, and salt as well. And then later I'm going to add those cooked potatoes into it and mix it nicely, combine all the ingredients nicely, and stuff into the peppers and bake it. So I normally like Mexican food a lot. Even my kids like Mexican food a lot, and we go out for a nice dinner or lunch to Mexican restaurants. But honestly speaking, those Mexican restaurants are putting a lot of cheese. They load with all the cheeses into it, but making at home, we can create or maybe we can control our portions in terms of salt, in terms of oil, in terms of cheese quantity, and everything. So I prefer making all the food at home so that we can keep it still healthy, but we can still try a variety of foods. So here I am just greasing in a pan, baking pan, as well as the chilies as well, and you just need to stuff with this potato and cheese mixture, and then I'm gonna bake it for 20-25 minutes at 375 degree Fahrenheit. So the baking is also depends on your oven capacity and the model and everything. So but yeah, still you can keep on checking in between. If you think like it is done, then you can take it out. The cheese is nicely melted and the peppers are shrinked and nicely done, then you can take it out. You don't need to keep it like 20-25 minutes like me, as I did actually. Now here I'm serving, the rice is cooked nicely, and normally Mexican rice they serve with like baked beans. So here I didn't show the baked beans recipe, but this is like very easy recipe. Just you need to cook the beans and tomato sauce. So here I'm just trying to serve with avocados, and this beautiful recipe, Mexican rice and stuffed poblano chilies are ready to eat actually. I hope you like this video and try making it home, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.